everyone, I'm Heidi Martin, National Sales Manager for DiamondTome, and I'm here with today's tip. When it comes to your HEPA filter, we recommend replacing them at least every 6 months. One easy way to remember to do this is to actually take a Sharpie when you open up your HEPA filter and write the date 6 months from the day that you opened it, so you know as you're growing closer to that date, it's getting time to change this filter. Now, if you're doing a lot of body work, we would actually recommend probably changing it a little bit faster, as your filter will start to get full and you may lose some suction. An extra tip on top of that would be to keep a spare filter on hand for in case that starts to happen, you are ready to go and you don't have to stop your services.